if you go to Home Depot, oh look, this filter's $6. Oh, this filter's $38. It must be a better filter. Yeah, it is. Piece of sheet metal would be just as good, but you know, this is what people think. It's destroying the units. Most houses, and I say this all the time, anybody can put a heater or air conditioner in. Making somebody comfortable and having the system right is an art form. Most houses, most of them, the design of the ductwork sucks. So you're marginal at best. Now we take a filter and make it even worse. New construction homes or even regular construction, a contractor is paid to do a job, and most of the time they're not going to go above and beyond. They're going to say, okay, it calls for 1200 CFM, if it's going to require this size duct. If we bring this up a little bit, well, we can bring the ductwork down a little bit and save a little bit of money, so that's what we're going to do. And so you're already pushing the systems to the limit as it is. Another air filter in there, you're just not doing the system justice.
When it comes to like a new build, when does the HVAC group come in? Like, you know, you have your builders come in first, and then like electrician and plumber. Like, are you right with them? Or are you behind them? Before them?
In front of them.
Okay, all right, yeah.
In front of them. Unfortunately, my ductwork is bigger. Takes up into the bays. I can't move plumbing. I can't move electrical. They can go around us.
Mm-hmm.
So normally it's construction, but you know, framing, and then it's in the ductwork. Then you'll get the plumbers and the electricians.
You go in before drywall and everything.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. You agree with that?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Like I said, it's always a fight who's going to get to where first.
Sure.
Plumbing is a lot easier to run with no ductwork in the way. But sometimes electricians will get in before us. Makes it a little more difficult, but most of the time it's framing, HVAC, plumbing. Electrical is more flexible, so they can go around plumbing. They're normally out of the big trades, normally the last ones.
Where is the symptom? You mentioned someone saying, oh, the second floor really isn't. So relative to where the unit is, where is the symptoms usually? Like, oh, the first floor, it's comfortable. The second floor, it's not. Does it depend where the unit is?
Well, yeah. I mean, if the unit's up in the attic and you're hot air is always going to rise. Nothing you can't stop it. Cold air is always going to sink. So if you have your air conditioner on the second floor, it's going to cool the second floor, drop to the first floor. Vice versa, the opposite way. If your unit is in the basement and you're having a lot of issues cooling the second floor, first thing, check the air filter, check to see if there's dampers in the system. Sometimes dampers are closed off. Some people think, oh, why don't you use bedroom 2, bedroom 3? I'm going to shut them off from downstairs and I'm going to save all kinds of money.
Oh, that's not smart? Oh, really?
You got to remember most systems are only running at one speed. It's either off or on. So you just shut half the rooms off. It's still running at whatever those rooms are getting hot or cold, whichever season you're in, and the air is migrating to them anyway and making the system unbalanced. Once again, the blowers are designed to move X amount of CFM.